Hello and welcome everyone. So for this update video we had a larger focus on the detective systems as mentioned in the previous video. We also have some civil close and some other small announcements of what the next update is going to be and when that's going to be. So with that out of the way, let's just get right into it. For the new gameplay, we have included a scanner, the ability to inspect evidence, conduct tests on said evidence, a recon system as we call it, and we got some new tests and animations for the corroder model previously shown in the last video. So the scanner works by pressing F as it is, and now everything will be red, but everything that's evidence related will be marked with blue. It's a pretty simple scanner really, and it's not too perfect as it is. There are a few known bugs appearing from time to time, so it will still need some work, but as it is, I am pretty happy with how it works. The evidence inspect is whenever you've picked up any evidence, you can go in and inspect it. This system is more so for the next system, the evidence tests. So as you can see out in the side view, you can see a list of scans that can be conducted, or tests that can be conducted. When one of these is clicked, the test will be conducted and you will see the results. When the test has been conducted, it will also be able to be reviewed in the individual evidence case. The next system, the recon system, is where you press interact with it, and now you see from a certain point of view. You can then zoom in and out and click on a object of interest, and if this object of interest is an actual object of interest, it will be added in the case menu as a location, and a vague description of the object is given. Now we do plan on having this be able to press the location button and then see where this object is located, have that be marked in the game world and maybe on the game map, although this function isn't here yet. Additionally to the scanner, there is also invisible evidence that can only be spotted by turning on the scanner, which adds further use for this function. Lastly, we have the skeletal test for corroder model with some new animations. So while we have imported other models before and made other models and rigged them, this is just testing out new ways, which is also faster to do this. And this method used here has been working pretty well without any retargeting or import issues. So that will be very useful for the further development. For the designs, we have some civil designs, which are not the most exciting thing, and I won't go too much into detail on each of the designs, but I will say we have these four classes of being homeless, lower class, middle class, and upper class, and then we have made these initial designs with more being thought of and gonna be in the final game. And each of these designs have a male and female version, and then they will be made in the game. On top of what you see here, the colors will also be randomized in game, either from a set or just completely randomized. We're not quite sure yet what we want to do with that or how we want to do it, but we have a few brands also, and our general aesthetic for doing this is just our general approach of making these clothes have just been to create something that looks familiar but has some different changes to it, making it more unique to our game and our world and our setting. With that out of the way, there's only one last thing to talk about. The next focus will be working more on the existing systems, adding more things to that, more polish, just trying to make things look and feel better and work a little bit better, fixing bugs. So So nothing too major, and that's mainly because it's December, it's Christmas, and therefore the next deadline will also be the January 31st, so it's a double up month. On top of this, I am also taking a small break from this project, as I've been working for quite a lot of months now, pretty much day in day out, just on this game. So I will be taking a small break from Red Knight, as I'm feeling somewhat burned out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy the new features, and I'll see you January 31st.